Hello friends, hope everyone good. So I'm Tiaga. This is my channel. Let's trade with Tiaga. So we are going to see what will be the price action in coming week. That is the first week of October 2022. So most people maybe enjoyed the last week price action, and ensure you are following my channel so that you'll be getting a daily update and daily price ranges and of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the important stocks. So let's go into the analysis of next week. So before that, let us also quickly see the last week price action. So I'll be changing to an 1 week. So these are the 5 candles. So mostly it is uh, ranges between 17,200 to 16,800. So this 400 points is a range. So the first 4 days fall was 75%. It has been taken back because the first day it was an gap down of from the 17,004 350 in fact to the 17,000. So this is the last week update. So let's go quickly into the next upcoming week expectation. So so definitely we from last 3 days we found the 60,800 is very good support, because that is a very nice price engagement area in the weekly chart. So that's reason this is acting as a very good support, and going forward also this will act as a support, immediate support, and immediate resistance will come in this range 17,200. So there was a gap down, and it has even it tried and could not able to move above this range. So definitely will be an act as an immediate resistance for the coming week. So in my view, so maybe in 2-3 days it will trade in between this range only, that is 16,800 to 17,200. And probably after 1 or 2 days or 3 days this may break down or break up. So we have to be cautiously trade in the next 2-3 days, because the volatility will be little more, and it will be in somewhat range bound also can come. So this is the view, and if it is goes up, the next resistance will be 17,550, and the next support will be 16,300 if it goes down. So these are the expectation probability based on the price action in the coming week. This is about the Nifty, and keep in mind that the Nifty has already formed an double top. You can see from here in the weekly chart. Can you able to see this, right? So and we are still active. If the last week if it closed above 70,200, definitely then the double top might be invalid. So now still this double top is active because it is trading below the neckline. See this is a neckline, and we are still trading below that neckline. So definitely it's going to be crucial week for Nifty. So if the 16,780 is opens down, or if it trading in this range, it will be tough. So if it open down also, this is an 16,300 I given the range, because that is the end of this double top. So then it may try to form another pattern, or if it is supposed to go up above the 17,200, then this double top will be invalid, and it try to form another next pattern. So this week we have to watch crucially. So expectation is immediately sideways between 16,800 to 17,200, then it can break up or down. This is the expectation, and I given the range up and down as well, and the range also you can able to see here. So going back to, so we'll also see the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is an very important area where Nifty is getting more support, or if the Bank Nifty fall and Nifty will fall like anything, or if it is rise also, Nifty will get very good support to rise, because more the highest percentage comes from the banking stocks. So that is one of the reason Bank Nifty is very important. And Bank Nifty, so if you see here again, Bank Nifty also we have to clearly watch this week, because it is trying to form an head and shoulder pattern. So we have to wait, but it is not formed yet. I'll let you let me update if it is formed any pattern, head and shoulder pattern. Let me show you in the this thing. So this is the shoulder, this is the head. Okay, and so shoulder is, this side is forming, not formed yet, it is trying to form. Okay, so be careful. This coming week is very crucial for our Indian market. So if it is broken down, the fall could be 36,916. If it is sorry, the first support will you get from 37,900, and if that is broken, then the next immediate support will get at 36,900. So these are the ranges you will get this week. If the levels are, the immediate support levels are broken, you may get violent moves, either an upside or downside, Nifty or Bank Nifty, both of them. And the immediate resistance you will get here, 39,400. This is the immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. So this week we have to watch closely, because here the head and shoulder is also trying to form. So we need to confirm after 5 days. So what is the pattern is going to form? Even in one day, if you see still this, if you see here, the head and shoulder is still more relevant. You can see here, this is the shoulder and this is the head, and you can form something like this. Okay, so the same thing it is there in the weekly chart as well. Okay, so so let us also see the important stocks of Nifty. So how it is trading. So what is the expectation for this coming week? First, the major highest percentage keeping in Nifty is Reliance. So we come to Reliance. Let me change to weekly. So if you see Reliance weekly chart, so it is very much the candle is bullish candle. Don't see the color. The price action of this candle is clearly bullish in the weekly. Even though 4 days it's fallen, the last day it was it was pulled back as came, and because due to this the uptrend line, if you see this trend line, this strong support is, this trend line is giving a very strong support, and that has been pulling this price up. So still we are in Reliance is in good support. We have to see what is the trading of tomorrow. Here the the dangerous thing is that just 1 minute, man. Sorry. My connection has gone down, that's the reason. Just let me connect back. So trading will not connect. Okay, so this uptrend channel is giving very good support. So we have to be very careful still. We have to see the price actions for coming 1 or 2 days of Reliance. It should not trade below this trend line. The thing is that even though here support is given here, that we can able to see a triangle pattern formed in weekly chart. So if that broke, if this really, if the triangle pattern is activated, it's already activated, but due to this support, it has been holding this price. So I don't want to go further about this because I don't want get the people into panic. So this is still active. So you can able to see 1 or 2 days, or we have to see next week closing of this stock price. Then probably if somebody want having holding this stock, you may have to add some put options as an insurance. So I'll update in the coming weeks, but this week the support you will get at this range, that is 2340, and if it goes up you can get the resistance at 2500. So this is the range for this week. So if it is trading above this trend line, definitely it's been a good thing, and it's good for Nifty as well. It can keep go up. Another 2-3 important stocks is Nifty. For the Nifty is Infosys. So Infosys, after a big correction, it has taken this support still, and it is bounced also. If you see this candle, it is bounced very well. So I expect to go up, or it can trade in the sideways. So this is the expectation for Nifty. And TCS, even though it has broken its earlier low, it's again the Friday price action, it's pulled the price back above the trend, above the previous low. So it's good. So again it can go sideways. So we have to wait and watch for next couple of days to confirm the price action of this. But expectation of next week is maybe it can go a little sideways, then it can go up or down. So we have to see the next 5 days price action. So I believe by considering all the Reliance, Infosys, TCS, even HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, this next 1 week is very crucial for us. So HDFC Bank also similarly it has corrected from this previous high. So we'll get support at 1359 and resistance will be 1500. This is HDFC Bank. And comes back to ICICI Bank, is again it is in crucial steps, as Bank Nifty also forming an head and shoulder. Here also can clearly see there is an head and shoulder formation is potential to form. So you can able to see this. So we'll get the support at this range, that is nothing but the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. It should trade above this next week, 849, and then 881 will be the resistance. 849 could be in support. This is about the ICICI Bank. So that's it guys for expectation of coming week. So this week is crucial, as price action is indicating a lot of things. So if it is it should not fall further. So let's hope. So before that, let me also quickly show the US stocks, because US stocks are very, the price action of US stock is very important, as even though we have a very good support from DAS, FAs are selling. So based on the US stocks falling performance. So let's see the Dow Jones. Dow Jones is it's broken the earlier support, that is this range. Earlier when we are in 15,200, they reached here 29875. They broken this, and they come here 28861. but I believe this could be a very good supporting area, so I'm expecting some pullback next week. So this is an earlier resistant when this is corona and later a corona pullback. So this supposed to act as an support. Let's see. See if we follow exactly the similar way, if our market follow like US in line with US market, we are in 12,000 range, because before when this is the range, when we fall from here we are in 12,000 only. So, our technically our stocks is somewhat good. So if any pullbacks come from Dow Jones or US market, then you can easily go up. So Nasdaq not taken out the previous swing low, so expecting this also to come back. So I will do a later update on this coming days and coming week. Let us only focus on the next 3-4 days and the weekly closing, and just keep on posting weekdays also. You can follow me. So that's it. Thank you. Have a nice week ahead, and do check out my videos. I'm also going to post the weekly stocks, monthly stocks, and for swing and small short-term investments. Thank you, guys.